So what are we doing today, Dylan?
Today we're just going to put in the clutch from my mate K64 Performance in Poland. He gave me a nice twin plate clutch with a billet flywheel. So he custom makes these in-house and he sent it over for me. So we're just going to put that in, get the gearbox all situated.
Yeah.
And yeah, for the boys, just do the intercooler piping, exhaust, screamer pipes out the bonnet. Just like,
Wait, we're putting the screamer pipe out of the bonnet today?
Not today, no.
Oh.
But it's getting fab. Nice here. But yeah, that's it, man.
So it's going to be here for a little bit?
Yeah, a couple of weeks.
Yeah. Woo!
That'll be good.
Let's tuck into it, eh?
Nope. No, on my head. Bang!
Another sticker on the firewall.
That one. Yeah.
Oh, no, shave.
Oh, I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that.
I'll just go to snaps and then back it off half a turn.
Snap it. Wait till Riley trying to get in the right position. Boom! Snap the crank.
That looks like a nice spanner. I might take that home with me. It looks stupid and it works. It ain't stupid. It's me. I look stupid and I work. I'm not stupid. We ain't giving y'all that.
Oh, here we go.
That's in.
Felt that one.
Yep. Oh, well. Luckily we got a second out.
Fuck yeah.
Want some light?
So what's next?
Just got to wait for all the fab work to get finished by Regan at Ramporto in Malaga. And then just do some electrical, put the cams in, just heaps of little shit. And then just save up for the ECU and all that. And then it's pretty much ready to start.
We're getting close, man.
Yeah.
Alright, time for beers at the ranch, I think. God, these guys smash shit so fast. We've literally been here like 2 hours, it's all done. So good. We're on to my ute now. So, I guess we're,
What are we doing, Shay?
So, today we're, doing that. No, I think we're actually going to be sitting up and mocking up the track for the rear axle. Yeah, centralising what I said. I can make a good video, I can't make a cool car.
Then 2.5 from what?
And the gift just measure, put that over it. That'll be 35, and then put the ruler like that, and do, you know what I mean? Like.
These guys are maths whizzes. These. Ah, well.
Oh, I guess a dent for Dylan.
So my cantilevers are here, and then all this shit, which I have no idea how any of it works. But so we're starting to do the measurements now to figure out how it works. So you've done a four link before, eh?
Yeah.
How hard are they?
Yeah, it's a bit of fuck around, just getting all the angles and shit right so it doesn't bind when it goes up and down.
Yeah.
It's got to be smart, which I'm not.
Yeah, most people aren't nowadays.
Just selected.
So we were here the other week, we did the clutch, but I'm actually back here with Dylan today just to have a look at the update on the fab work. We'll go talk to Dylan now and figure out what's been done so far. So Dylan, since we were here last time, what's been done by Ramp here?
Okay, so they've done like intercooler piping.
Yeah. That's it?
That's it? Nah. So you got the intake, the cool side and the hot side, spicy boys.
Oh, it's good seeing some actual tubes on here now.
Yeah. Then Regan started doing the dump pipe, which he's welding up over there.
He hasn't quite finished that yet.
No, we've actually gone from the twin gate to a single gate.
Big boy one?
Boy one,
What size is that?
45. So then that's just going to sit,
I'll say it's going straight onto the snail.
yeah, straight onto the rear housing, and then that would be titanium straight out the bonnet.
Oh, bonnet gate. Nice juicy flames.
So yeah, and then the boys just going to finish off the exhaust.
Oh, I see a little circle there. What's that for? That's going to cut out that.
That is going to be the
or
blow-off
something.
valve, yeah. Blow-off valve there, exhaust, and it's going to have titanium tips at the back as well now.
Yeah. So about another week here at Ramp, and then.
Yeah, and then I've got the hot cam swap.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do the cam swap, put the injectors in, tighten everything up, and then just save for the ECU.
And then it's ready for a
Yeah.
tune.
Yeah.
Oh man, I am so excited. We're getting so close. So we'll probably update you guys with that other stuff. We're just going to have a look at what's been done so far, and then we'll see you on the next vlog.